It's quite a messy picture across the UK through the rest of today and through the rest of this week into the weekend as well. Yes, there's some glimmers of sunshine around, but we also have this trailing front. You can see the front on the earlier satellite imagery, this swathe of cloud, and it's this that's pushing its way in, and it's going to bring some further rain, particularly across parts of Northern Ireland, Northern England and parts of North Wales as we go through into this afternoon. And this same frontal feature is going to be lingering for the next few days in a similar spot. So yes, turning quite wet across parts of Northern Ireland through the next few hours. Some heavy bursts of rain possible here. Some damp weather across parts of Northern England and North Wales. Also a few outbreaks of rain across the far north of Scotland and some strong blustery winds here. Elsewhere though, actually some decent dry weather to be had. Some sunshine breaking out, particularly across some eastern parts of Scotland, and some sunshine breaking out across some central southern parts of England and Wales as well. Worth bearing in mind though here, the cloud could be thick enough for a few spots of drizzly rain. Now temperatures are rising, more on that for tomorrow, but nonetheless in the southeast we're still looking at highs of around 23, 24 Celsius, and with lighter winds here feeling fairly warm. Elsewhere temperatures a few degrees down on this, and obviously where we have those strong winds in the north it is going to feel that much fresher. Then later on we have more rain feeding its way in across parts of northern England, southern parts of Scotland, and fringing into the far northwest of Wales as well. Also a little bit of rain pushing across some other parts of Scotland too. More cloud here and some outbreaks of showery rain following in behind. But elsewhere there will be some drier, clearer weather as we go through overnight, and where we get some clear spells, temperatures may just about drop into single digits in some rural spots. Most towns and cities though holding up in those mid-teens values, similar to some recent nights. So again, quite a mild night for most of us. And then tomorrow we kind of wake up with 4 zones of weather. Some wet weather across the far north of Scotland, but this clears away. And some more wet weather lingering. Like I said, that front lingers across parts of northern England into parts of northern Wales through much of the day. And that could actually pep up a little bit more as we go through into the afternoon. And then in the other 2 zones across much of Scotland and Northern Ireland, a good deal of fine, bright, sunny weather and more sunshine also across central, southern, southeastern parts of England and Wales. And here, where we get that decent sunshine, it's going to be even warmer than today. We're looking at highs around London and up towards East Anglia reaching 26, 27 Celsius, and it's going to feel pretty humid with that as well. Elsewhere, yes, temperatures not as high, and obviously where we get the rain it is going to feel several degrees cooler than those highs in the mid, possibly even high 20s. Then later on, more wet weather across parts of northern England into northern and western parts of Wales, that rain turning a bit heavier, and that rain may start to fringe into parts of southwest England as we go overnight Friday into Saturday as well, otherwise staying largely dry. But this front continues to linger here as we go into the weekend, so we do have more heavy rain to come. It could turn quite thundery. We do have warnings out because of the potential for impacts from the wet weather, and also watch out for some strong winds, particularly on Saturday, gales, maybe even severe gales in exposed spots. Now, whilst Friday's likely to be the warmest day, we'll cling on to something warm for Saturday, but as the unsettled weather clears away as we go through Sunday, we're also going to see the warmer weather clearing away as well. So temperatures will be dropping as we go through this weekend. For a more in-depth look at what we can expect through the weekend, well, check out Alex Deacon's weekend weather forecast, which he'll be bringing to you later on. Bye-bye.